Are you tired of wasting time and energy hauling materials? Introducing the Tomahawk Power Buggy, your ultimate job site partner. With four-wheel chain drive, tackle any terrain, mud, sand, even uphills up to 20 degrees. Effortlessly dump materials with its hydraulic hopper, featuring a 92-degree tilt range. Compact and versatile, its 30-inch width fits through doorways and gates for both indoor and outdoor use. Stay in control with the digital display, showing everything you need to know at a glance. Work anytime with super-focused, 150 lumen headlights for wider and farther lighting range. Maximize your productivity, reduce downtime, and let the Tomahawk Power Buggy do the heavy lifting. Get the best price guarantee and free shipping exclusively at Big Rock Supply. Upgrade your job site today. Big Rock Supply, where quality meets value. Follow us for more.